Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Traders, 3:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, September 28th, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Subscribe and bell if you want to be notified of these videos. I put them out almost daily. Click the thumbs up if you want to be notified, to actually share the video as well, mostly to notify your friends, family, and whoever else you want to share this video to. We're talking here about RLC and its related price action today, tomorrow, and the future. Click the share button. Let people know the greatness of RLC, or AKA iExec. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. Let's take a look at RLC US dollar price action right now, continually over this orange line we talked that we thought it would be, and it is. Now, we've had a couple of little spikes over the last 12 hours. Certainly 332, nothing demonstrable, a few percentage up here, a few percentage down there. But again, we are truly in a sideways chopping pattern. And, I think we can continue to see a realistic line of support around the 319 range, really driven by the solidity of RLC Bitcoin. This is the reason why I think RLC US dollar will maintain its balance over this orange line. I'll zoom out. This orange line right here, which is at 320. So I feel like we got a decent, solid line of support on our RLC US dollar, but primarily because of the fact that we have this solid line, rising line of support for RLC Bitcoin. Right now, it's currently at 77.08. Some support down to 74.40. So we're in pretty good shape there as well. Big again, but RLC US dollar, in my opinion, will just go sideways, and that's the way it's going to be for the next few days, in my opinion. Now we've got Bitcoin here, we got a block here and a block here. This is like the resistance block, this is the support block. This was what happened in the past, not too long ago, in May all the way through to July. Now we have the same situation right here between September, and I think we're going to wind up ending this one. It's a mini cycle of what we've seen in the past, which is only 1 month. And it's also got a smaller amplitude, very similar, whereas this one's a bigger amplitude. Now, in the past, what happened is in the first half, the first half of the May downturn, we stayed above we stayed on the top half of this rectangle. And then in the second half of this rectangle, we stayed on the bottom half for the second period of time on that rectangle. So same thing here. We stayed above the top part in the first half, and then we stayed on the bottom part in the second half. We will continue to watch this. We're 41,594. I think that we'll continue slightly down. We will be volatile, but volatile down, all the way down where we have a floor of support around 40,000. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, we're starting to see some weakness in the overall crypto market, really driven by the increase in this fear factor called the Bitcoin dominance pair. As this thing goes up, pretty much everything goes down, as I've seen recently. It doesn't mean it's happening like that all the time. It's just in this period of time, it seems to be acting like that over the past several months that we've been monitoring it. So that's pretty much all I have. RLC at 320, pretty solid line of support there. And for sure, this is the bigger line of support. In my view, RLC Bitcoin, very, very strong. Everyone have a good day.